my next victim.
No!
The ranches have been frightened away or killed. And now this cult of the Black Widow demands half the town's treasury or...
You'll be her next victim.
I can't. I won't do it. Spider or no spider, I'll...
Kimosabe.
Ranger, it's got me. A spider web.
Hurry, Kimosabe. They're getting away.
Now you see me, now you don't.
My eyes. Get them, Tonto. My catch. It can't move.
You'll never catch the Spider Queen.
Black Widow's not only deadly, Tonto, she's diabolically clever.
But there are more than one way to catch a spider, Kimosabe. Taka! Follow, Coach! Taka, circle over abandoned mine, Kimosabe. Maybe Spider Queen's hideout.
I think you're right, Tonto. It's a perfect nest for the Black Widow. This used to be mining country until it became infested with spiders and drove the men away.
Now nobody here accepts spiders.
Yes, but some of them may be human spiders.
Kimosabe, that old shack may be entrance to Spider-Woman's hideout.
Possibly. But if it is Tonto, she must have another way out. We better split up. I don't want her to escape again. Beware of the Black Widow. No webs over the door. This means somebody's been here. And not long ago.
I've been expecting you to come calling, Masked Man. Do drop in.
She's deliberately drawing me closer, possibly to my... Oh, no, you don't.
You were lucky enough to escape my Spider-Man, Lone Ranger. But don't forget, it's the female of the species that is the most deadly.
A spider is a spider. But you've claimed your last victim, Madam Black Widow.
In fact, I've decided that you shall be my next. Oh, come close, Masked Man. Welcome to my parlor of death.
Stuck. I can't break loose.
Look around, Masked Man.
A giant spider.
With a giant appetite. Feast well, my pet.
Those pincers. Metal. A mechanical monster.
And indestructible. As I told you, there's no escape.
Close. But that devilish thing is still coming. I've got to free my arms.
It will be all over once you feel the spider's sting. Its tip is poisonous. One touch, and
Kimosabe,
Not the spider, Tonto. Cut the net. Hurry.
You fools! After him! Don't let him escape!
Fools. So that's how that monster is operated. Manipulated like a puppet.
That thing of devil, never kill again.
The cult of the Black Widow is destroyed, Spider Queen. You've just been dethroned.
Ah, but I'll reign again somewhere else.
I'll stop you.
Or die trying. One breath of my spider venom mist, and it will be your last. And now, farewell.
Tonto, that's Spider-Man's net.
Oh, I can't move. Oh.
Deadliest of spiders, harmless now, Kimosabe.
That's right, Tonto. The Black Widow has been caught up in her own web of evil.